Facebook's decision to strip Trump of his ability to reach his 35 million Facebook followers along with his 24 million Instagram followers created an outcry from Republicans who claimed censorship and touted the First Amendment as being infringed upon. However, as stated in Brandenburg v. Ohio, speech loses its constitutional protection only when such advocacy is directed to inciting or producing imminent lawless action and is likely to incite or produce such action. In Brandenburg v. Ohio, Clarence Brandenburg, a Ku Klux Klan leader in Ohio, asked a Cincinnati reporter to cover a KKK rally in Hamilton County for his television station. The resulting footage captured people burning a cross and making speeches wearing traditional KKK attire of hooded robes. The speeches referred to taking revenge on African Americans as well as Jews and potentially marching on Washington on the 4th of July to accomplish their goal. They also criticized all three branches of government for allegedly colluding with non-whites against whites. Once this footage became public, Ohio authorities charged Brandenburg, who had made one of the speeches, with advocating violence under a criminal syndicalism statute. The law dated back to the First World War era and responded to then widespread concerns about anarchists, socialists, and communists. Brandenburg was convicted, fined, and sentenced to 1 to 10 years in prison. His conviction was affirmed by a state appellate and dismissed by the state Supreme Court. The court ruled that, quote, speech which supports law-breaking or violence in general is protected by the First Amendment unless it directly encourages people to take an unlawful action immediately. The court's ruling translates for social media platforms to ask if the content posted is considered incitement. Does the content incite violence or call for violent action to be taken? On January 7th, Mark Zuckerberg answered yes to the aforementioned question. I'm Mariana Mancuso. This is Politics Simplified.